Good morning, everyone. So today grade 6 is doing an activity on making cheese. So the purpose of this activity is to actively see the process of fermentation. So the vinegar is going to separate the solids and liquids of the milk, and we will make cheese from it. The components of milk, liquid and solid. So for the ingredients to make cheese, we need milk, vinegar, a bowl, a strainer, and some seasonings like paprika, mixed herbs, salt, and that.
So we did this experiment in the supervision of our teachers. So you should try this experiment with your elders as it is not safe. Oh, we did a great job.